YouTube? It's your girl Key. Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is in collaboration with Wet n Wild. They sent me their 40 Shades palette and I used their palette to create this look on my eyes today. Now this palette has 40 shades of eyeshadows ranging from a whole bunch of different colors. They have mattes, glitters, lots of pigment. As you guys can see on my eyes, we are going to be recreating this very glamorous holiday look. It's reminiscent of Zendaya. That's where I drew my inspiration from. So if you would like to pick up this Wet n Wild 40 Shades palette, I will leave a link down in my description bar along with a coupon code for you guys to get 25% off. And you also, if you don't want to get it offline, you can pick it up at your local drugstore. This is their 40 Shades palette. It's very inexpensive. A lot of colors and a lot of pigment. As you guys can see, lots of things you can choose from. I've actually dipped into lots of the colors. As you guys can see, that orange is just gorgeous, and this copper brown tone is gorgeous. Like, all of the shades are really pretty. I've used it on different types of looks, and you guys are going to see me create this look on my channel right now. So make sure you guys pick it up. Again, I will be leaving a link in the description bar, along with a link for money off your palette. So let's get into this look that I created myself, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you like about this 40 Shades Wet n Wild product palette. All right,